Hello guys, welcome back to Food Prefix Academy. Alright, so today I want to use Kumoo to work on this wedding image and see what we're going to be able to come up. So if you look at the image, you're going to notice that we have quite some things going on right there. The suit needs some ironing. We'll have some blemishes to work on. And of course, you need to, push up their colors so that the skin tone will look so amazingly good. So let me show you options that we'll have right here inside Kumoo already. So if you come into your AI color transfer, right, and you go into recommended, you're going to see some beautiful AI color suggestions that we already have here that might look good on the image. So although up till now we do not have the one dedicated to black skins separately or dark skins separately, but of course you can import your whole. But let's walk around them and see if we have something, if they have something we can use of this image. If not, we'll create some by ourselves, or we just do our color grading by ourselves. So let's see what this virtual could look like. Okay, within it we'll have 4 options as well, but let's see how it's going to look on our image. Oh wow, the before, the after. So I think I like it, but let's click on other ones and see options they have for them as well. I think I would prefer the first one, but I have to tone the effect down because it's burning away my highlights so much. But I like the cinematic feel and cinematic color grade that gives it. I'm going to look for the one that is clearly responsible for the highlights. Because I think this works so much for the colors. Let's see. What does this control? Okay, the highlights. I think I'll leave this here than the column. So leave this here and leave this there and bring this down a bit. I think this works for me, the before, the after, but of course I'm going to still do some touch-ups to the image later. So the first thing one of the first things I will do after the color correction is to take care of the blemishes we have about the image. So you just turn all of this on. So you need to understand that what I'm doing now is going to work only on the woman because we are working on the woman slider. So when we're done with the woman, could come out and touch the man as well. So we'll also be format, and of course mold surface, forehead wrinkles, dark circles, leave every other theme. I think the neck wrinkle is okay. So I need to increase my accessory for breast, for the armpit areas, and of course my face disfocus should be very bullet. I always turn this on external when I'm working with an image that lots of focus on the face. So once that is gone, I'll come into my skin retouching category and keep my frequency separation at 100 because I need a lot of X here. Add some high frequency, then some skin refinement and neutral gray leveling effect. It might contour perfectly working here. So I think my frequency separation is too high. Then 4 to after. Okay, that works for me. So a little bit of high. Then I come and do the same thing for the body, but for the body I'm going to prioritize real skin, which is perfect. So once I go down to my skin tone, I'm going to make sure I verify the skin tone because I'm noticing that the face and the body have quite a different skin tone. Once I'm done with that, I'll come and select the perfect skin tone for her. So I think she would, be a very warm skin, but quite saturated. I feel this is too whitish. So let's go for tan and bring it down. Well, so far for even light skinned people, tan have always been my best option because I can reduce the intensity of the saturation it brings to the skin, whereby giving that skin a very beautiful skin tone. Can as well decide to push towards this side or keep it somewhere around here. Get a little bit of brightness and whitening. So my teeth need some cleaning. I'll go to my teeth and I whiten teeth. Right? To get that clean white teeth. And if you have stray hairs in your image, you can as well go to your hair and just clip on stray hair or even the hair part to make this edges look seamless and beautiful. Alright, so once that is done, I'm going to let me show you something. If you click here, you're going to notice that it's recording the man as a man. So if I confirm, I'm going to go over here and click on man. So what that means is that everything I'm going to be doing now will be affecting only here. None of it can touch the woman. So I just push all of this up. And we are good. Beautiful. So if I come down to my frequency execution, just maybe half of it. And some high frequency, skin refinement effects, and neutral grade away. So the next thing is to go to my frequency separation for Bobby. Here's it. Keep it here. Beautiful. So the skin tone needs to match. So come down over here, we'll make sure that our skin tone is matching. But this is too much. Keep it somewhere around here. Push the body up as well. So once you are done doing all of that, you introduce the skin tone you want it to have. Now, if you look at this image from the original one, you're going to notice that the man is a dark skin person. So to put that into perspective, it means we'll be using cocoa skin tone to work on him. Or we need to, of course, bring it down, then brighten it up. So it doesn't start looking like menalingua. Maybe a little bit of whiteness. Or coolness. Each one will work. I think I prefer what the coolness is doing. The before, after, beautiful. So the last thing I want to fix is the address in terms of retouching. So if I go back to reverse, and I'll just increase my record removal, and it's going to help you fix the switch demand as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let me go to the adjustment area, go to my local, click on background. So once in my background, I'm going to increase the vibrance and the saturation. So I want the background to compound. I want the colors to be shout, the color of my background. I want the grease to be visible. Then I'll go back to my global all the way down to correction and also increase the saturation of my hue primary just a little bit. So I'll go back to my adjustment now and everything applies. We're going to see how we've been able to add some rich, beautiful colors to it. Nice one. So this was the before. This is the after. The before is the after. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video about Kumoo, right? And if you are interested in learning and also getting cool for yourself and use it in your own workflow, go to the description of this video. You are going to see the download link provided. Click on it and you will download your own software for yourself. And the beautiful part is that if you buy your first set of credits and any other one with our promo code, you will get 30% free bonus from you. So you don't want to miss that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and after subscribing, turn on your notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a movie. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.